In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an order on Costco online in 2020. Yes, ordering online from Costco is a simple and convenient way to get all your household essentials, groceries, and more delivered right to your doorstep. So, whether it's your first time shopping online or you're just looking for a refresher, follow along as we walk through the process step by step. First, let's navigate to Costco's grocery and household essentials page. You can do this by heading to their official website and selecting the Grocery and Household Essentials section. This page serves as a hub for all your grocery needs, featuring a wide array of options from fresh produce to cleaning supplies. It's designed to mirror the in-store experience, giving you access to a vast selection with just a few clicks. Next, you'll want to click on the Shop button. This will open up various categories that make it easier to locate what you're searching for. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different sections. This organization helps streamline your shopping, ensuring that you don't miss anything on your list. Now, decide on the specific category you want to shop in. Whether you're in need of pantry staples, fresh vegetables, or household cleaning products, each category is clearly marked, making it simple to find your desired items. Selecting the right category will lead you directly to the products you're interested in. Once you're in the appropriate section, click on Grocery and Household Essentials. Here, you'll have a comprehensive selection of items at your fingertips. Browse through the offerings and consider each option. If you have a membership, don't forget to log in to ensure that you're seeing the full range of products available to you. Having chosen the item you wish to purchase, simply select it. This will bring up detailed information about the product from pricing to customer reviews, helping you make an informed decision. Take your time evaluating these details to ensure the product suits your needs. After reviewing, click on Add to place the item into your online cart. You can continue shopping and adding more items, or proceed to checkout. Keeping an eye on your cart ensures you stay within your budget and don't inadvertently overpurchase. Finally, click on Cart to review your selected items. Ensure everything is correct before proceeding to checkout. Here, you'll also have the opportunity to adjust quantities or remove items if necessary. Once satisfied, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your order, entering payment details, and confirming your delivery address. That's it. You've successfully placed an order on Costco online. Stay tuned for your receipt and tracking information to arrive via email. Happy shopping!